Hello, everybody. Good morning. Thank you for the intro, kid. A wonderful introduction for me. It's like I'm in goosebumps here to stand before you. Respected Chairman Dr. Hari Gopalan sir, Correspondent Dr. Tanga Prakash, Vice Chairman Dr. George Arvind, Principal, members of the school management, teachers, non-teaching staffs, parents who have assembled here, and lovely children. I would like to thank first the management for inviting me as a chief guest for this wonderful Primary Wing Sports Beam Day 2024. It's an important function in the school's academic year. It's really an honor for me to stand before you, to see all the children with joy and enthusiasm, and the parents. I would like to compliment all the children who have taken part in today's events. I heard from ma'am already the events, everything has been conducted. So it's really wonderful to see the children with very charm and enthusiasm. So it's not about winning or losing in whatever events you participate, but it's only the participation at the end of the day. As Dr. George said, you should teach your children about failure because failure is the stepping stone of success. So only if you fail in your life, in your first step, you will be going to great levels in your life. So that's a very important point I want to emphasize to the parents especially. I've seen many institutions, the primary focus is mainly only on academics. But of course, certainly it's important aspect for building a student's career in life, but many fail to recognize the importance of sports. So extracurricular activities and sports at school level, it teaches many important life lessons to the students. So always you see to that you make the teachers should encourage the students to participate in all extracurricular activities and sports, encourage them to be active. So that they'll face they'll be stress-free at school and even at home. So it teaches us discipline, focus, hard work, dedication, commitment, and teamwork. Sports plays an important role to have a stable and healthy mental health. So mental health should not be taken lightly. Only if you're hale and healthy, physically, you will be able to produce many more achievements in your life. So by physically playing various kinds of sports, you will surely realize that you can focus and concentrate better in the class compared to your friends. So teachers, parents, please kindly encourage the students to participate in various kinds of sports. And coming to parents, in today's day and age, you should be willing to let your children to focus their dreams, to follow their dreams, instead of focusing them on some popular profession. So, as a parents of Sunbeamians, you parents all should be very proud here and lucky to be here. Do you know why? Right from the beginning, when I entered the campus and coming on to the stage, I have seen how much the school is giving all the facilities, a beautiful infrastructure and support to your children. You all should make opportunity of this. Don't lose your children, lose this opportunity. You should be really proud that you have chosen a best school in Vellore for your child to study here, to exhibit their talents and to achieve great goals in their life. So parents, I know being me as a parent, many of us would have regretted during our childhood or school days or college days that my father didn't give me a chance to participate in the sports event, so that my concentration in my studies will get disturbed. I could get distracted and deviate in another way. Or I wish I had this opportunity, then I would have been doing great in my life. So your child should not regret this. Don't face your child past this situation. So take the opportunity the school provides you and let them lead a happy life. So who knows, any one of a child here can become a Manu Baker or a Neeraj Chopra in future and bring fame to this school, Sunbeam School, and to our country. So my best wishes, and I would take this opportunity to thank everyone, especially the young talented children who all here with chosen enthusiasm. I wish you all the very best and very good luck. Don't miss the playtime and eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you.